What's up? We're back in the shop. Today we're working on the Cummins. What is all over my camera lens? There we go. That's a lot better. All right, yeah, we're back in the shop. We're working on the Cummins. We got two problems with the Cummins. One, you saw me pull in. Two, the cab lights are out. So we got all the cab lights. They're the same ones that are on it. Recon LEDs, not the OLEDs, just the LEDs. OLEDs are too expensive. And then we have 14 bolt axle parts. This will be a separate video. Stay tuned for that. And then also we have another problem. Honestly, you know, of course every door squeaks. That's fun. A Dodge thing. We have a coolant leak. I don't know if y'all can see that, but right about there, right where my finger's pointing, a white spot, that is coolant coming from my EGR bypass hose. And oh no, the government's coming after me. I have a deleted diesel. Don't care. Yeah, so that little coolant hose needs to be changed. And looking at it, you know, get up here. They didn't do this bypass job very well, as you can see by the baling wire and leak here and leak on that. It looks like it's been leaking for a while. But we're just gonna go ahead and change this entire hose. And comes with a new bung to fit in here, and then the hardware that goes around this it looks cleaner, so I'm gonna do that. I should also buy an EGR valve block off plate, something to block this off, just a, you know, nice block off, or I could just buy a Banks Monster Ram like I fucking want to. Right now we're gonna go ahead and put the cab lights on, so don't need the hood up. I gotta wait a couple days, but for you it's gonna be instant. So I think today's Thursday, so says the bypass hose is gonna come in Monday. So this video will probably be out that Wednesday. And for those that don't know, you probably already noticed, but I'm trying to do a video every Wednesday and Friday, if it's possible. I really want to get back into YouTube. I have a lot of projects. I'm doing a lot of fun shit right now, so I just wanted to fill you guys in on it. That way y'all can just, you know, check it out. Fuck. It's cool to share shit like this. Especially what I got going on for the white Jeep. That's gonna be fucking sick. Let's go ahead and get these cab lights out the box and throw them in. All right, so we got 5 old smoke cab lights up in this John. Got the wiring for them and everything. So I already verified that my problem is not with wiring, and it's with the cab light itself. Also, all of mine are full of water. These aren't even smoked. Ha. I got the smoked ones now. It's gonna look a lot better. I need to have the cab lights on for this. So hold on. They're LED, so if you hook them up backwards, it won't work. These look great. Wow. Yep, that one works. Looks good, man. Looks snazzy. Make sure when you're putting them in to plug them in correctly. You know, wiggle them. Make sure they're not gonna do anything weird, like random loose connection problems, you know. And don't over crank it, because you will crack them. But you don't want also don't want them to leak. So there's probably a torque spec, but I'm using my better judgment. So nice getting rid of these ugly ass, clear, fucking faded ass shit. Ugh. All right, move over to the other side and keep going. Not really a brightness difference on them. At least I don't see. Alright, last one. Some of these contacts in here are not the greatest. It really helps when the wires are on the outside and you really got to push it in. So it's not going to move anymore. That's what we want. Those are junk. Done with the cab lights. Man, they look pretty good. I like how they're smoked instead of clear like the old ones. And the old ones here were really starting to turn yellow. And 2 of them are full of water. So make sure not to crack them when you put them in. Other than that, it's 10 screws. Really not that hard. yeah, I'll pick this camera right back up whenever I end up getting the EGR cooler bypass hose in, and it'll be in like, I'm so sorry guys, but the footage on my camera corrupted when I fucking put this hose on, so all I can show you is see the adapter in there. It's nice and smooth. You can see where it's open on here. A lot better. Yeah, no more coolant leak. So sorry I didn't have the footage, man. This kind of shit happens. It's out of my control. Could be it for this video though. I'm gonna go work on my G factors and we'll see what I'm doing Friday. So take it easy guys.